Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. So, for this video, if you didn't read the title, it is my December Birchbox unboxing, and I am so excited. I did take it out of the box because I showed a coworker what I get, or what you can get in the Birchboxes and stuff, and let me tell you, I'm in love with the box. It is a sample, like a true, it's, you know, the prices for samples, it's $15 a month, or you can buy a 3-month subscription, a 6-month, or a 1 year. So it's really cool. So, like I said, I love this box. Usually, like, the lids come off the top and stuff like that. This one opens like this, and there's a poem inside. And it's adorable. This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself, because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you. Okay, so there's 6 samples in here. And the first one is the Regio, and this is the Kale and Apple shampoo and conditioner, which I love. I do like these. I like the apple. I'm an apple addict. So, the full size for them are $28 each. Then we get the Malin & Goetz Brightening Enzyme Mask, which is funny. I just opened the moisturizer this morning for the Malin & Goetz. So I'm using this in my daily routine. So we're gonna put this in there for that. And that goes for $55 full size. The next one is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream, which is funny because I think I just used up, and this one is oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking, SPF 30. This full size, $35. The next one is the This Works. Ooh, this is cool. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. And so I assume it's got lavender in it. It says, clinically proven to help you get a good night's rest. You fall asleep faster when you spray this calming infusion of lavender and chamomile on your pillow before bed. You can smell the lavender, definitely. And this was a pleasant surprise. So this is the MAC Frost Lipstick in Delish. It says full size, $18.50. This is a full size. I'm looking to see if I have a full size MAC over here in my spinner, but I don't. This is a full size MAC. So that is so cool. It is a frosty one. So I am impressed. I think I've gotten MAC in every one of my boxes lately. So that value alone, I mean, you spend $15. This is $18.50. I mean, this alone is so worth it. But I just love the box. I will be honest. I'm in love with this box. And they have another note. As we close out the year, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know that your life is so full, and we couldn't be more grateful that for a few minutes each month, we get to help you find some time for you. We wouldn't be Birchbox without you. Cheers to you and the year to come. And like I said, I'm a big, because of the skincare and all that. But like this box, this is such a fun little box. So this is probably going to go hold something on my table, because I'm just really feeling it. It's just so pretty, and I just really like it. And I mean, other than like Birchbox right there, you wouldn't know. But anyway, the shampoo and conditioner is always, Regio is always good, and these are decent sizes. They're not the little packages where you squeeze it out in one use. This will take, a little bit longer, couple uses. right there for right now. So, and then of course the BB cream SPF, which I use SPF all year round, so that's not a big deal. But these will go to the bathroom. The lipstick go to my spinner, which is full, because if I take this lipstick out, so that's why that works. But if you like this, please comment below. I hope to talk to everybody soon. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I hope everybody's enjoying the holidays, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.